Sounds like a jet. It is a one-of-one done Duramax in this color. I've never seen another one on the internet or anywhere of a Duramax in this color. It stands out. Probably gonna hate it, but I don't care. I think. What is going on, everybody? Dadbot Season here. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we've been taking a very, very long break from YouTube, but we're back. We're back. We're ready to hit it in full stride, and trust me, we have some videos coming up that you guys are not going to want to miss. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Stick around. If you're new here, definitely hit the subscribe button. If you already subscribed, well, you already know. You're one of the family. This is the video you guys have been waiting for a very long time. I bought this truck about 3 or 4 months ago, I think. July. 5 months ago. Okay, great. 5 months ago, I bought this truck and we started the build, right? Then I haven't posted on YouTube for probably 3 months. So yeah, it's been a little bit. But let me catch up to speed if you're not already up to speed. On the truck it is a 2016 Duramax, LML Duramax. Not sure if you guys guessed it, which actually I'm pretty sure no one guessed it, because y'all thought I was gonna get a Cummins or something. Sorry. Had trash in my mouth for a second. But no, LML time, baby. And if you guys think we're gonna keep her as a stock grandpa truck, well, you're sadly mistaken. She's got the Z71 off-road package. We're gonna see how off-road it is. Has a fully upgraded fuel system. So we went to the CP3 conversion, CP4 to CP3 conversion, because more reliable. We went with a 5-inch straight pipe. See, it's been a while. 5-inch straight pipe from the turbo back. She sounds beautiful. Lift pump and all that, and tune, everything possibly done there by some of my good friends. Today is officially lift kit day. It's over here at Ryan, our bus gone wild. We're putting on the 3.5-inch lift kit.
What are you doing over there? Hey, come on, we got work to do. No.
He's very excited.
Great.
All right, so we got a little bit of everything here. Portion keys, blocks, U-bolts, control arms are over there. Don't mind our mess. You're hungry. Got the shocks back here. Time to get started. Hey.
Hi.
Heat stop. Oh yeah, just get right on up in there. Yeah. Look at her, she's a fresh, she's AutoZone special.
Freshie what?
AutoZone special.
Oh, that's some nice plastic.
Not exhaust though.
She's a spicy quesadilla.
Big boy.
See the pitch of the star in there?
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Yeah.
See how it's different?
Yep.
It twists that bar more lift.
More
big,
lift.
Big lift guy.
Big lift guy.
Big
lift
lift
guy. Yep. Mm-hmm. Now, we're pelvic thrusting. Oh, yep, it's coming down. Because, we're taking these grandpa steps off. I like my little hair bun I got here. Hair got caught. All right, we're trying to film.
Yeah, what are you, Cletus McFartland?
Dude, oh my gosh. You see what I gotta deal with? Yeah, we're taking these grandpa steps off because I was told they gotta come off. Why the women here?
How do I do a control on left hand and takes you on the film?
Dude, how about you just shut your dirty mouth over there? How about that?
Why didn't you use a drill?
Because we're right there, we didn't have any. Oh! Bingo, bango, bongo. Coming down.
Holy shit.
Is it that much higher?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
What? You're already right there.
No, but that's all.
Also, of course, we tinted the windows, did 5% on everything, put on the wheels, which our axe off-road wheels are 22 by 12, sitting on with 33s wrapped around them. So it just looks good. Good. 33 by 12 and a half, but it looks good.
So I can't put it
I mean, I can do it with the tire iron, but I don't feel like it. Actually, I don't think a tire iron is. Oh yeah, same thing.
Now my love for you is so strong, girl. I can
I guess I'm not gonna get bladed back out again, huh?
Howdy, partner.
It'll be there.
Hi.
Come back.
Will they do a burnout?
But it was missing something, and that's because, you know, we own a wrap shop, so was missing the whole wrap portion. But that's where we're getting to today. You guys are gonna see this. It is a one-of-one done Duramax in this color. I've never seen another one on the internet or anywhere of a Duramax in this color. It stands out. Probably gonna hate it, but I don't care. I think it looks awesome. Before I show you that, I want to show you some of our new friends that are here with us on the farm. You guys haven't had an update here in a while. This is Texas Road. Right there's Road and House. Get it? Texas Road House, or I'll be we're gonna eat you. That's our new friends. We got plenty of farm updates coming, but I think I should stop. I think I should stop teasing and lead you guys on. It's time to reveal the truck. So let's go find it. So not to hold you guys off any longer, but I just want to say what brand we use for the wrap. It's KPMF. You can look them up, KPMF USA. Great brand. We did the same vinyl on my Vet, the C8 that I just got rid of. That was their matte Viper green. Absolutely loved that color. The car looked great. And well, the truck's ready. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome the truck that I call Hammerhead to the family. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. She just looks perfect. Let me know in the comments whether you love it or you hate it. I'm sure a couple of you guys are going to hate it because, you know, you're like, oh, it's too crazy. Why would you do that color? It's not a normal color. It looked better maroon. I like to have fun. But this color is called Metro Stealth Dynamic Teal by KPMF USA. I'm pretty sure I got that right. I'm actually not 100% sure, but I think it sounds good. It looks great. I love the chrome wheels. Now, this is my big thing, right? I don't know if it's too much chrome up front, so I don't know if we wrap the bumper to match the body and leave the grill chrome to match the wheels. I don't know. You gotta let me know. What should we do? But I think the blue with the white, everything like that, I think it just, we need a cold start. It's not gonna work. Oh, just listen to that 5-inch straight pipe. Sounds like a jet. And like always, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. And I will see you all next time. Dad Bod Season.